Alright, hello guys, welcome back. Today is March 29. Should have been done on the 27th, but a quick Friday recap before I uh, go through and post a weekly outlook. Starting off with NQ on the daily here. As mentioned, we did get that extreme bearishness on Friday just because, again, we didn't have enough time to have low ranges moving lower. So we had a pretty big range, as you can see, almost 800 points lower, coming down into these lows, rejection block lows, and maybe you could do some wick extensions here and do that if you'd like. But yeah, we got extreme bearishness, and a good setup would have been below the mean threshold of this order block. So, oops, sorry, the mean threshold of the wick. I'm sorry, or just a retracement to order block in general. Inside of that, you have um, if you trade London, 1 hour trade up into bearish FEG, sweep of low, start to move lower. You can look to get involved anywhere here, maybe in here with this retracement, maybe in here with this retracement, maybe in this bearish order block. But for that New York AM kill zone, you had this retracement into bearish order block right here, and then if you go on like the 15-minute for entry, you can see sweep of highs, rejection block. This is pretty high. Well, I don't know if you'd like shorting something like this. It's pretty scary in my opinion. So you can wait for more confirmation by having to change the state of delivery and then retracement into change the state of delivery, stop right here, and then target those levels mentioned. Rejection block lows, first target. That's a nice 120 point move, and then finally the rejection block lows right here. So sorry, that was the the bullish order block, and this is the rejection block. This is a 200 point move, almost 3R, and then maybe you could have left one runner for um, wick ranges. We can wonder if I have. Yeah, okay. So yeah, you could have targeted 25%, then maybe hold for 50, and then close at the end of the day. But yeah, that's pretty much that on NQ. Looking at the dollar itself was also or was bullish as expected. Move lower, and then we said we wanted to see higher pricing up until a rejection block, then these highs, and so on. And I do like, I'm not doing my recap or my outlook now, but I do like the fact that we created bullish FEG. It shows that we want to go somewhere, we're in a rush, and then you have overlapping bullish order block, so maybe we can expect a retracement into that for the next week. We'll have to see. And then ZB, a little less bearish after taking out this low, it moved back into the range and consolidated kind of, which could be a little indicative on this 1 hour, maybe a little bit better on the 15-minute. But I mean, overall, not bad. We were expecting a retracement into a bearish order block, but we didn't get a complete retracement. We just got up until like this part of the wick. Could be, again, do some of your CE measurements on it. But yeah, that's pretty much that for Friday. Hope you found this insightful. Please take care, be safe.